Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. It's my first ever video here in YouTube. So before we unbox this Huawei P40 Pro, let me first give you a brief introduction about myself. So my name is Judy Ann Santos. My middle name is Caspadillo. I am 24 years old. I'm a civil engineer and currently working in a real estate company here in Bataan. So I availed this Huawei P40 Pro through Globe Postpaid plan. It took 10 days and it comes with Huawei FreeBuds 3. I'll do separate unboxing for that. And now guys, as I started my YouTube channel, please do support me. Please do subscribe to my channel. And now guys, without further ado, let's go to the unboxing. Now let me give you sample photos taken using this. And that's a Huawei P40 Pro. I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. And now guys, thank you for watching. See you soon.